Every great achievement in life begins with a simple habit, the habit of self-discipline. It is not about being perfect, it is about choosing what is right, even when you feel tired, lazy, or afraid. Self-discipline is the bridge between your goals and your success. Imagine two people starting their day. One wakes up early, makes his bed, eats a healthy breakfast, and plans his goals. The other sleeps late, scrolls through social media, and feels unmotivated. Both want success, but only one has discipline, and that makes all the difference. Self-discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. It's waking up when your alarm rings, instead of pressing snooze. It's studying when others are wasting time. It's working hard when no one is watching. Many people wait for motivation, but motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. Discipline, however, stays with you every day. When motivation fades, discipline keeps you moving forward. Successful people are not always the smartest or the strongest. They are simply the most consistent. They keep showing up, even when it's hard. That is what separates them from everyone else. Think about a bodybuilder. He doesn't become strong in one day. He trains every single day, pushing his limits, lifting a little more, eating clean, sleeping well. That's self-discipline in action. Discipline is not punishment, it is self-respect. It means you value your time, your goals, and your future. It means you are the master of your own mind. Let's take an example from history. Thomas Edison. He failed more than 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb, but he never gave up. He said, "I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That is the power of self-discipline. Edison didn't wait for inspiration. He worked day and night, testing, learning, and improving. Because he knew that progress comes from discipline, not from waiting for a perfect moment. Now imagine your own dreams. Maybe you want to speak fluent English, build a business, or become successful in your studies. Ask yourself, are you willing to stay consistent even when it's boring? Are you willing to work when others rest? That's where your success begins. Discipline doesn't mean you never relax. It means you control your choices. You know when to rest and when to work. You make balance your strengths. When you practice self-discipline, you build confidence. Every time you say no to laziness and yes to effort, you grow stronger inside. You begin to trust yourself, and that trust becomes the foundation of success. Let's look at another example. Nelson Mandela. He spent 27 years in prison, but he never lost control over his mind. He practiced patience, calmness, and discipline. When he came out, he changed the history of his nation. Self-discipline gives you power over your emotions. When people make you angry, discipline helps you stay calm. When you fail, it helps you try again. When you feel sad, it helps you move forward. Your mind is like a wild horse. If you let it run freely, it will go in all directions. But if you train it with discipline, it will carry you to your destination. Discipline also teaches patience. Every seed takes time to grow. You cannot plant it today and expect fruit tomorrow. Success works the same way. It takes time, care, and daily effort. Some days will feel heavy, you'll feel tired, lazy, or hopeless. But remember, discipline is not about being perfect, it's about standing up again and again. No matter how many times you fall, even 10 minutes of focused effort every day is better than 5 hours. Once a week, small steps, taken daily, create big results. Discipline is not about speed, it's about direction. In a world full of distractions, social media, noise, and comfort, self-discipline is your superpower. It makes you different, that helps you stay focused. When others are lost, start small, wake up early. Read a few pages of a good book. Exercise for 10 minutes. Speak English for 5 minutes daily. Every small habit adds up to something big. As you practice discipline, your mind becomes stronger. You start enjoying the process, not just the reward. You stop fearing hard work. You start loving growth. Remember, every successful person you admire, from athletes to entrepreneurs, started small. They built their life brick by brick, day after day. Their secret was not luck, it was consistency. Even when no one believed in them, they believed in their routine. They believed in showing up. That's the heart of discipline. So, next time you feel lazy or unmotivated, ask yourself, what would my future self thank me for today? Then take that one small step and keep moving. Discipline is freedom. It frees you from regret. It frees you from failure. It gives you the power to create the life you dream about. One day, when you look back, you'll realize that your disciplined moments were the turning points of your life. The days you didn't give up made you who you are. So stay patient, stay focused on, and most importantly, stay disciplined, because that's how ordinary people achieve extraordinary things. Your success story starts today. With every small act of self-discipline, you are writing your future. Don't wait for motivation, build your habits, and your habits will build you. Remember this simple rule. Motivation gets you started, discipline keeps you going, and consistency brings you success. Thank you for listening to this story, The Power of Self-Discipline. If you enjoyed learning, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep improving your English every day. Stay disciplined, stay focused. Your best version is waiting for you.